the secret really for Vietnamese food is finding the correct balance between the use of the spices and also the herbs. Being Filipino cooks kasi, we're not using so much spices and even herbs in our dish, but the Vietnamese love spices and herbs. So the key is finding that balance. Actually, pho is a fast food dish in Vietnam. It's a street side stall. It's available in 2 minutes. The only thing that takes a while to make is actually the stock. But the stock keeps very well if you plan ahead, make them ahead, and freeze it in the freezer. It could stay as long as like 6 months, as long as it's stored properly in the freezer. Vietnamese dishes such as pho and other traditional Vietnamese recipes have been trending. You see it as becoming a business here in Manila in the Philippines. And I think one of the reasons for that is because Filipinos have now traveled to Vietnam. It's become easier to go to Vietnam, and we've found the food and the flavor there to our liking. So people now are actually craving it and looking for places that serve authentic Vietnamese food that they've encountered in their visits to Vietnam. And the other thing about it also is because the ingredients are readily now available here in the Philippines. It's not so difficult to find. Third is that when you actually get into Vietnamese cooking, you'll find that it's not really difficult to make them. It's actually quite easy. Sometimes we just think na because it's foreign to us, especially the use of the spices, we get intimidated, but it's actually very easy. For this class, we're making 3 dishes that are, again, staple in Vietnamese cooking. One is a beef stew pho. This is different from the first pho I made, which is the more classic beef pho. The second one is a seafood variant using shrimp and squid and making a seafood-based pho broth. The third one is also a quick dish that I love to eat myself. This is the grilled pork, marinated grilled pork lemongrass with meatballs over noodles and a Vietnamese patis dressing. Whether if you're cooking for your family or planning to start a food business, these are the skills that will set you apart. Ready to master Vietnamese cooking? Join me in Savor Vietnam Part 2. Only here, the Bailiwick Academy.